Hello, this is AIN TV. I'm Charles Alcock. We're bringing you exclusive video coverage of the 2011 Heli Expo show. Now, thanks to Bell Helicopters, we're going to be bringing you a special aerial viewpoint on this year's event. That's all coming up in just 30 seconds. Welcome back to AIN TV. I'm Charles Alcock. We're here at the Eurocopter booth at the Heli Expo show. Now, this year's event also sees the introduction of a brand new single-engine helicopter from a new manufacturer. At its Heli Expo booth, Switzerland's Marenco company is displaying a full-scale mock-up of the Sky SH-09 single-engine helicopter. Marenco is aiming to achieve a first flight next year and could have the first of the $2.6 million aircraft with customers by 2015.
Well, timing basically is behind us, because in reality there hasn't been a single engine that has been developed from a clean sheet of paper since about 1975. So we figure that the market will appreciate the ergonomics and the design that we have put into the aircraft. For instance, for a single engine helicopter, single turbine helicopter, you will have up to 8 individual seats, which does not exist in the industry today.
When I started at the rotor head, we have a 5-bladed main rotor head for low vibration level. We have a very large shrouded tail rotor for low noise and very good responsibility, and a large cabin, a window between the pilot seats. So for sling load you can directly look onto the sling load without the bubble door or leaning out of the door.
Powered by a Honeywell HTS 900 engine and with a Sagem avionics suite, the Sky SH-09 is expected to cruise at 145 knots and have a range of 430 nautical miles. We had an opportunity to fly high above Orlando and make an aerial approach to this year's Heli Expo show. Thanks to Bell Helicopters, we can give you this bird's eye view of downtown Orlando. HAI leaders are expecting more than 15,000 attendees, 60 helicopters on display and 600 exhibitors. And there's a really international crowd here with more than 100 countries represented. Leaders from the Helicopter International Working Group met here to discuss issues facing the helicopter industry. Topics range from flight simulation to the ways that new technology is impacting the industry. And speaking of new technology, Review Tommen has unveiled what it says is a big leap forward in searchlight equipment. What sets the Swiss company's new HSL 1600 unit apart is the fully integrated software that allows it to be operated automatically with infrared, CCTV cameras and mission displays. The infrared filter flaps are inside the searchlight. In a conventional searchlight, the flaps are external and have to be flipped down over the light before flight crew can have night vision.
We have no additional components. The software is all here in the gimbal. The aerodynamic shape means that the beam is more stable, and there's less maintenance because there's less vibration.
Review Tommen is also introducing the small HSL 800 searchlight for use on lighter helicopters. Eurocopter is expected to introduce 2 new aircraft here at the show. One of them is this new B3E version of the AS350. But I tell you, the unveiling that's planned on the other side of this booth tomorrow promises to be even more dramatic. We'll have all of that for you here at AIN TV. And if you want more details on these and all the other stories at Heli Expo this year, pick up one of these editions by our colleagues at AIN HAI Convention News. For AIN TV, I'm Charles Alcock. Thank you very much for watching.